Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this regular list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and localize more security and privacy. Here scroll down and localize encryption and credentials. As you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.